Ever wondered how a PCB or printed circuit board works? It's a fascinating world of electronics that you interact with every day, even if you don't realize it. From your smartphone to your television, from your car to your microwave oven, PCBs are everywhere, silently powering our modern world. At its core, a PCB is a board made from non-conductive material, like fiberglass or plastic, that holds and connects electronic components. But how does it do that? It's all down to a series of interconnected steps. The first step is designing the PCB. This is done with specialized software, where engineers map out the circuitry that will be printed on the board. They determine where each component will go and how they will connect to each other, creating a blueprint for the PCB. Once the design is complete, it's time to create the physical board. The non-conductive material is coated in a layer of conductive material, usually copper. This copper layer will later be etched away to leave behind the circuit paths. This brings us to the next step, etching. Using the design blueprint as a guide, the copper is etched away, leaving behind the circuit paths. This is often done using a chemical solution that dissolves the copper not protected by a resist layer, which was applied according to the blueprint. After etching, it's time for drilling. Holes are drilled into the board at specific points, according to the design. These holes, or vias, allow for connections to be made between different layers of the board. Then comes the soldering. The electronic components like resistors, capacitors, and integrated circuits are soldered onto the board. The leads, or legs, of these components go through the drilled holes and are soldered to the circuit paths. The final step is testing. The completed PCB is tested to ensure it works as designed. This can involve applying a current to the board and measuring the output, or using specialized testing equipment that can check for issues like short circuits or broken connections. In summary, a PCB works by providing a physical platform for electronic components and a way to connect these components. It starts with a design which is then used to create the physical board. The board is coated in copper, which is etched away to create the circuit paths. Holes are drilled for connections, components are soldered on, and finally, the completed board is tested. A PCB is a marvel of modern electronics, a miniature city of components and connections that power our devices. It's a testament to the ingenuity and precision of electronic engineering, a world that is as complex as it is fascinating. So, the next time you use your smartphone or turn on your TV, remember the tiny PCB inside, working a way to make it all possible.